Hey everyone, welcome back. Deleting an app on Android is easy once you know where to press. But there is one thing that trips almost everybody up, so let's start with that. Press and hold an app on your home screen. Look at what comes up. Select, remove, disable. There is no uninstall on there, and remove does not delete anything. It only takes the shortcut off your home screen. Watch. It's gone from the home screen, but swipe up, and there it still is, sitting in your apps, still installed, still taking up space. So here is the one that actually deletes it. Swipe up to get to your app screen, find the app you want gone, and press and hold it there instead. Same kind of menu, but this time, because it's an app you installed yourself, you get uninstall. Tap uninstall, it asks do you want to uninstall this app, tap OK, and that is it. Gone, properly gone, and everything around it shuffles up to fill the gap. There's a second way to do exactly the same thing, and plenty of people find it easier, especially if you can't remember which page the app icon is even on. Come out to your settings and scroll down until you find apps. Tap that, and you get every single app on the phone in one long alphabetical list. And next to each one, it tells you how much space that app is using, which is genuinely useful when the reason you're deleting things in the first place is that you've run out of storage. Find the one you want, tap it, and that opens a page called App Info. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that page and there are the buttons. Uninstall on the left, Force Stop on the right. Tap Uninstall, tap OK, and it's removed exactly the same way. Same result, just a different route to it. And this is the one to use when you're going through a long list clearing space. Now the one people get stuck on. Some apps that came with the phone will not let you delete them at all. Press and hold one of those, and look, there's no uninstall in the menu. You only get disable. Disable is the next best thing. Tap it, and it tells you the app and everything related to it will be switched off. Tap disable, and it disappears from your app screen and stops running in the background. It just doesn't free up the storage. And that message told you how to undo it. Settings, apps, pick the app, and the button that said disable now says enable. So that's all four. Press and hold on the home screen only gives you remove, which is just the shortcut. Press and hold on the app screen gives you uninstall. Settings, apps, pick it, and uninstall at the bottom does the same job. And if there's no uninstall at all, disable is your answer. Anything you uninstall you can get back from the Play Store, and paid apps stay paid for. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching.